Hello, my name is Anton and I'm the director of the music video dubbed by Memento Mori. As a director, I would like to give some comments about aspects of the video. First, how does your product use or challenge conventions and how does it represent social groups or issues? Well, my music video was filmed as the mixture of the several genres, as my band members are performing while being the characters inside the video. It generally follows the conventions of those genres and looks similar to the videos of the famous band 21 Pilots, from whom I also took a song for the music video. It was filmed in a style similar to the band's one, especially to the very local song. The melancholic atmosphere of the video, which is created by grey skies and emotionless face of the lead singer, as well as the masked attire of the drummer, represent the inner feelings like depression, melancholy, and anxiety. The feelings are only emphasized by the lyrics of the song. Graffiti made in the video by the drummer represent the want of him to be heard. Those feelings can be easily identified with teenagers, the targeted audience of this music video. In the end, it's fair to say that my music video follows the basic canons of the genre. Second, how does your product engage with audiences and how would it be distributed as a real media text? As I've already mentioned, the target audience for my music video are teenagers, whom I try to engage with the melancholic atmosphere and mainstream music, as the song I picked, dubbed by 21 Pilots originally, is taken from the twice platinum album Blurry Face. The songs from that album reached top spots at several Billboard Top 100 charts, proving that that's the music which teenagers are listening to nowadays. Alternative rock songs nowadays are distributed through the record companies to establish a basic fan base, like Vivo or Fooled by Ramen, which by the way is the distributing company for 21 Pilots song I have used. The platforms used by musicians to distribute their songs include the websites like YouTube, streaming platforms like Spotify or SoundCloud, online markets like iTunes or Google Music, and of course some old-fashioned ways, like getting your song on the radio. All those methods help to promote musicians, and if I were to distribute my album, I would do it the same way. Third, how did your production skills develop throughout this project? I developed a wide set of skills while working on this project, and improving those I gained from my AS level media studies. First of all, I had to use internet and other resources to find out the codes and the conventions of the genre and style I've made my music video in. Then I have learned how to develop the idea of yours into something more through the usage of the mood board. Then I have created a storyboard and the script, understanding the technical aspects and how to create a well-written script for my music video using those aspects. I have also done the location scouting and some test shots, which helped me to develop a useful set of skills for the future. Then I created a shot list to plan the scenes and visual part of the music video. Talking about planning, one of the most, if not the most important skills I have learned this month is how valuable a good planning is for the project. I had to create a schedule for my project, taking into account all the factors like deadlines, props rent, when the lead singer will be free for the filmings, dates of other assignments and so on. This was really hard, but in the end it gave me a valuable experience for the future. I have also learned how valuable is the font for the music video and which style or combination will be more suitable for my style, so it can convey melancholic feeling. In the end, I learned the technical aspects of handling the camera, the functions, white balance, ISO, etc., and how to film using different shots and movements to convey meaning by combining them and using in the right order to create already mentioned meaning. And the last fourth question: how did you integrate technologies, software, hardware, and online in this project? Well, as I have already mentioned, I conducted a lot of studies online to find codes and conventions of the genre and style, for example. I created a website and the cover for my album, which delivered an idea to me about how things work in music industry. I have also familiarized myself with different websites on the web while working on this project, like WordPress.com to create this blog and Storyboard.com to create a storyboard for my music video. I have integrated two Adobe programs throughout this project. First being Adobe Premiere, where all the clips were cropped and combined together in order to create a continuing sequence. Afterwards, music was added, lighting effects and the video effects added. The second program was Adobe After Effects, where I added credits and animated them. The third program was Adobe Illustrator, in which I have created the text which appears in the beginning of my music video. I have also learned how to handle Canon 6D and how to play with different functions of it, like ISO, white balance, or the depth of field. Overall, I used a bunch of everything from the software, hardware, and online technologies throughout my work on this project, and I believe I have greatly improved my skills after AS level media studies.